Hey guys, it's me, Bryson Gaming. If you guys just want to say a thank you for the 419 views on my channel. That was really a good appreciation from you guys. I've always wanted to get that many views. I used to have this friend, Dark Place. He had a lot of views. It kind of got me a little jealous, but he was my friend. I was proud for him, and I'm proud of you guys. If you guys have a channel, I promise you, just comment down below. I'll click your photo thing, and I promise you, I might watch your channel. If you don't have one, I'll just do it anyway. I'll just subscribe to your channel, and I might give you a shout out. Just don't do hate comments, or you're gonna get hate, or you're never getting a shout out. Never, ever. No hate comments, no dislikes, no. So just comment down below, and you might get a free shout out. So I want to tell you guys that this is your man. I got a special thank you so this is gonna be we're gonna be calling Santa Claus on the phone, because these press notice I'm on my phone, thingy on my phone, and I have the paper right here. Don't look at what's up here. If you guys can see it, I might as well read it for you. So the first one is 31952722680. The second one is 712. Wait, did I just read that one? 31952722680. Did I just read that one? Let's just try this. 712-770-4404. That's the second one. And the last one is 951-262-3062. Try this out. It might be fake, but I think it will be a good game for you guys. I also got a game. We're just gonna try these out. Let me turn that down a little. It's a little loud. Okay, we have 527. 26.
We have been very busy making all of those toys to deliver on Christmas morning, and I want you to know that your family loves you very much, and so do I. So be good, and don't forget to always listen to your parents. When you hear the tone, please leave me your Christmas gift wishes and holiday cheer. And remember, kids, I know who's been naughty and nice. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon.
And that was his phone number. If you want to try it out, you can try it out. It might be fake, but it'll be kind of really good thing. Now we're gonna try this game out that I just downloaded. It's called Preview Video Call. It always just call Santa. It's a really fun game. Please download it. If you didn't download it right now, we download it. Good, because we're gonna try it out. So, tell me in the comments if you want me to do the voice one, because we're gonna be doing the video call. Let's get started. Yes.
Well then, tell Santa what you want for Christmas this year. Okay. Got it! I will have my elves in the workshop get started on that right now. Don't forget to leave out a plate of cookies and milk for me.
Okay.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas from all of us here at the North Pole. Ho, 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 ho!
you like that, please make sure to subscribe for more videos. And if you want to try this out, try it out for yourself. It might be fake, but if you think it's real, comment down if you think that was real or fake. I thought that was fake because it didn't really sound like Santa. He's like, ho, ho, ho. Like, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. That's not how he says it. So I thought that was fake. If you think it was real, tell me, comment down below. If you think it was fake, just like I said, say it's fake and comment down below that you said it's fake. Big flushing. Bye.